Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to make YouTube TV the default app on your Samsung TV. Are you tired of your Samsung TV always opening to a different streaming service? Do you want YouTube TV to be front and center every time you turn on your TV? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set YouTube TV as your default app, so you can jump straight into your favorite shows and live sports. It's a quick and easy process, and we'll cover everything you need to know. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. We release new videos regularly. Alright, let's get started. Screen recording showing the Samsung TV home screen. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is navigate to the settings menu on your Samsung TV. You can usually find this by pressing the menu or settings button on your remote. The button might look like a gear icon. Show navigating to settings. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option called General or General Settings. The exact wording might vary depending on your TV model. Select that option. Show navigating to General. Now within the General settings, you'll want to find something related to Home Screen Settings or Startup Settings. Again, the name could be slightly different. We're looking for options that control what happens when the TV turns on. Show navigating to Home Screen or Startup Settings. In the Home Screen Settings or Startup Settings menu, you should see an option for Auto Launch Last App or something similar. This setting determines whether your TV automatically opens the last app you were using when you turn it on. Show locating Auto Launch Last App. Make sure this option is turned off. This is the key step. If it's on, it will always default to whatever you used last. Show turning Auto Launch Last App OFF. Now, here's a little trick. After turning off Auto Launch Last App, make sure to open the YouTube TV app. Then, simply turn off your TV. Show opening YouTube TV and then turning off the TV. The next time you turn your TV on, it should default to the Samsung TV home screen. But, we need to make one more crucial adjustment for a truly consistent experience. Go back into your TV's settings, then into General, and then find Home Screen Settings or Startup Settings again. Look for an option that says something like Choose Default App or Startup App. It might be worded slightly differently depending on your model. Show navigating back to Home Screen/Startup Settings and looking for Choose Default App. Select that option. You should now see a list of all the apps installed on your TV. Scroll through the list and select YouTube TV. Show selecting YouTube TV as the default app. And that's it. You've now set YouTube TV as the default app on your Samsung TV. To test it, simply turn your TV off and then back on again. It should now automatically open to YouTube TV. Show turning the TV off and on to confirm YouTube TV opens. If for some reason this doesn't work, double-check that Auto Launch Last App is turned off. That's usually the culprit. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to make YouTube TV your go-to app on your Samsung TV. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you encountered any problems. Thanks for watching.